This one is the Tokaido Shinkansen going to the south of the white one, going to the southern part of Japan. And this one is the other is the Tokaido ordinary train, also going to the southern part, but it's a little near. Oh, it's a white one. It's like a snake. Hibibitay na uwi mo sila. Ay, we are in the 21st floor of the hotel. What's the hotel? Daiichi. Daiichi. What's this? The Hankyu Hanshin Daiichi Hotel Group. With my daughter Saika, she treat me with